All right, so we are in conversation today, and I have with me Monika Agarwal. Monika, welcome to this conversation. And before I begin with you, my name is Suman Agarwal, and I'm the co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute. And I would like to start by asking you about your background.
Hi, I'm Monika Agarwal and I'm founder of modernagelifeskills.com. So I started with NIIT as a tech faculty. So I have been in trainings like forever. But for personal reasons, then I had to take a break, a long one. And then I came back with a bang with ICBI. And that's
Excellent.
how it's been since last decade. It's 10 years.
Wonderful. So, why did you choose this course of image consulting and soft skills at ICBI?
So the best part I liked about the course was it is very well structured. It gives the trainer a good idea how to design their workshop. So it's not just about training delivery. Whatever the things we have undergone are they guide us wonderfully as trainer, and especially the trainer course is excellent. Everything else is also.
Did you have any fear when you started or when you began the program with ICBI?
Yeah, because see, I was coming back from such a long sabbatical, and definitely there was a loss of confidence. And that 1 year with ICBI, the peer group was such amazing. The faculty was such amazing that they had more faith in me than I did in myself. And that has been a great go getter. And I'm in touch with most of them now, 10 years down the lane. They have become great friends.
That's amazing. And it happens in most cases when, there are a lot of like-minded people who come together, not with same background, but with same intent.
Yes.
So how has this journey transformed you as an individual?
It has transformed me inside, outside my thought process. The profession we are in, it's a transformational process. I truly believe don't practice what you preach what you practice.
Of
So
course.
I first practice whatever I have to do. I do emotional intelligence, transactional analysis, communication skills. So those are like inside out transformation. And the beauty of it, you see it in the people also that you train. So it's a holistic growth.
And what do you plan to do with this qualification of transforming others?
So I have been doing a lot of work internationally, and I intend to keep doing that also. And now I've started collaborating with a lot of schools in India also, where we are conducting emotional intelligence workshops for children, which is the need of the hour. Seeing the situation today, it has become so important. The sooner we start, the better.
That's amazing because that's definitely, I would say, a very important aspect that needs to be covered. Um, if you could share one message with others who are standing where you were standing at one point, what would that be?
Don't say no. Keep learning, whatever to begin with. See, now at 10 years later, I can say no and I can pick and choose the work I want to do. But in the beginning, just be very open because as a trainer, it's not about the training, it is about your learners. The more, the better audience, the different variety of audience you talk to, the more you understand yourself better. The more you understand where you have to actually put in the work, which is your niche, and niche doesn't come by like it doesn't fall on your head. You have to actually do the works. And so do the works, do the NGO work, do the empower work, keep doing. The more you do, the better you'll get.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. That was a great information sharing that happened over here in this conversation. And I wish you all the very best, Monica, for your future
Thank you. Thank
endeavors.
you so much, ma'am. All the best.